Hi everyone, thanks so much for joining me. My name is Susan Timchak. I'm an independent demonstrator with Stampin' Up! I'd like to welcome you here. Today I'm here to share with you my upcoming, excuse me, this happens every time. I just grab a drink. My upcoming August class in the mail. This is going to be a really fun class, and I know you're not going to want to miss out on this one. This is going to be a punch art class. And in this class, you will be creating 5 different cards, and you will receive all the materials to create the cards. It'll be all pre-punched. There won't be no stamped images. Those you'll have to do for yourself. And what this class is going to include is, again, all the products you need for the cards, and I will share them with you in a moment. And you will also receive the envelopes. You'll receive a full roll. This one is used because I've been busily making a lot of things with this. This is our Whisper White Flax ribbon. So you will receive a whole roll of this for yourself. You will also receive a pack of our Brights 6x6 Designer Series paper pack. And again, these 2 items you'll have tons left over to create even more. You'll also receive a sheet of our Stampin' Dimensionals to use to put your cards together. And for an additional purchase, if you're interested, you certainly can use what you already have. I really encourage that. But this is a really great set of products. What I also use to create the cards is the Well Said stamp set, which is, it just covers everything. I mean, this is something that everyone should have in their stamping place, room, wherever you stamp. It's a red rubber stamp set, and it's a set of 2. So you have sayings for the inside, and you have other, for whatever sentiments, for whatever reason it is for the card. That I highly recommend. And there's also framelits that go. They're called well-written framelits. And let me show you this in the catalog. So you can find this on page 47. Okay, and you can see all the different sentiments that are included. This has 51 stamps. So that is a lot of stamps. And the dies, let's take a look at those on page 197. So the well-written words, there are 24 dies. The largest is 3 5/8 by 1.5. And it coordinates, of course, with the Well Said stamp set, which, is going to, I mean, it's amazing. They're an amazing set. Now, if you decide that you wish to make a purchase of the stamp set and the dies, I will send you your kit for free. So you will get your free punch art kit. So I think that is a great deal in itself. But if you're not interested in purchasing, and I truly understand that, and don't forget, we're now offering the $50 purchase, you will receive a $5 coupon to use next month. So I would highly recommend placing an order for this stamp set and dies. But if not, the class itself is going to be $35, which includes your shipping. So again, you will receive items that you can use. I don't have dimensionals here. Well, I could just do a faux pas dimension. One I've already used. You'll receive one that's not used. You'll receive a sheet of dimensionals, a ribbon, the flax ribbon, and a pack of the Brights Designer Series paper pack. And you'll also receive all the contents to create these fun cards. And I'll also include for you a picture, and I'll do a video on how to put them together if there's any need for that. I mean, they're pretty self-explanatory, but I don't mind doing a video. So let's take a look at the fun cards. So first off, we have this really cute bee, and isn't he cute? And again, I'm going to cut out all these pieces for you, unless they're like little teeny tiny where you may have to cut them out for yourself. Now the Designer Series paper and the ribbon, you'll have to cut that because you will receive those in your kit. So the little cute bee says hello. Next up, we have this really cute elephant. Look how cute that is. And again, I will include these little words that are already die cut for you. You'll get those. None of the stamped images though. Here's a cute little watermelon for the summer. A little thank you card. How cute that is. And then we have, well, this says Happy Father's Day. You can choose any sentiment you wish, happy birthday or whatever, but a cute little wrench, something for the guys. I think that's cute. And then we have this cute little piggy, and I think he's super cute. It says, you make me smile. So let me lay these out for you while I just go over a few more things. Now, all these cards that you're going to receive, the base of the cards is the ultra thick Whisper White cardstock. So I believe that, that is a good choice when you're making cards like this that don't have a whole lot of layers to them. But I don't know what's making that. I think that's the way my light is here because it moved. It's a great way when you're using, just maybe just one layer. It gives you a nice thick card to send in the mail, and it has a nice quality of it. And if you're not aware of that, we do have plain Whisper White, and we have Whisper White Ultra Thick, or I think it's called Ultra Thick. Is it called Ultra Thick? I don't know. It's called something like that. But anyhow, yep, this is your card kit that I'm offering for August. Now, I know it's only July, but I have it open right now. If you're interested in the kit, you can message me or send me an email at stampinsuitcreates@gmail.com. And again, the cost is $35, and it includes everything you need to create these fun cards. And I will need the cutoff date, so I will need your reservation for this class by August 11th. Okay, so that is the definite cutoff class. I'll be ordering on the 12th all the supplies needed. And this will be mailed to you approximately August 23rd. So in order for me to get the supplies from Stampin' Up, packaging it all up, and send it off to you, along with a little extra little free surprise included in your class kit, just as a little thank you from me for purchasing from me. So again, if you're interested in ordering the stamp set and the dies, you can get this class kit absolutely free. So yeah, let me know if you're interested. Like I said, send me an email or head on over to my Facebook page at Stampin' Sue Creates. I have the details there, along with details on my demonstrator website as well, which is, you can find it at my online store is www.stampinsuecreates.stampinup.net. You can place an order there. Be sure to use the host code if you are. And don't forget, with each $50 purchase, you'll receive a $5 voucher to use in next month. So it's a great time to make a purchase. And I want to thank you for joining me. If you have any questions, be sure to reach out and let me know. But I think this is going to be a fun class. I think you are going to love it. And thanks so much for spending some time with me today. I really appreciate you taking the time out of your busy day. And I hope you have a super Stampin' day wherever you are. Alright everyone, thanks for joining me. We'll see you back here again real soon. Bye for now.